Hi guys, my name is Samir Rajpal. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Conctr. Conctr is an IoT platform that was built by a team with over 6 years experience building smart connected IoT products. One of the things that we found in our wide experience is we were repeatedly building the same 6 components again and again from scratch. This was taking up to 90% of the development lifecycle. The components being we needed a massively scalable backend, security, end user management, device and data management, a front end application so that the end users could access their data, and analytics. We built Conctr to automate this entire process. Within a few minutes, you can have each of these components up and running. Let me show you how this works. First, I'm going to create an application. This is basically going to create the 6 components that I told you about earlier. All right, I'm going to call it my app because I'm boring. Description, this is a test application. We're going to leave the default avatar and we're going to click create. Awesome. All right, now we want to go in. To actually send data into an application, we need to create a model. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to create model. I'm going to select some standard fields. These are basically templates that Conctr provides you for commonly used data fields, provides you with your validations, etc. One thing I will change though is the access level. I'm going to change humidity to consumer only. We're going to see what this does in a few minutes once we look at the consumer front end. Let's call this my model and let's create that. All right, we're ready to go. Let's go to devices and click search. There are no devices that should pop up, obviously. And let's get our device online.
So now what we'll do is take a look at the Conctr mobile app, which is, I'll just bring up it on my phone now. So there's my device, it's been blinked up, it's gone through the whole connecting procedure and it's there. So now what I'll do is navigate to the Conctr app on my Android phone. So just have a look, here it is here. So there's my device, it's showing that it's on there. If I wanted to, instead of blinking it up every time, I can just open this QR code, take a photo and it will load up to my page. So here it is here, just loading up all my data. So instead of going through the blink up process, it's just a matter of taking a photo of that QR code and then it will load straight up showing me information like where my device is, some information about the sensors like temperature and the accelerometer. So yeah, this is great. Instead of going through one big process, it's just a simple QR code and that can be for any device. Now we'll jump back to Samit and he will take us through finding the device online through Conctr.
Let's do a search to see if it pops up on the map. There it is. So if I hover over it, I get a couple of details, and if I click on it, we can see the admin view. But more interestingly, let's have a look at the end user application. So if I go through and click on login with Google, I'm going to use an account that I've created before this. So you can see my device. This is the device that I brought online a little while ago. So if I click on that, you can see the device details pop up. So if you notice humidity, this is the field that we changed the access level for in the model earlier. This basically allowed us to specify what data was visible to the consumer. The benefits of this are we're now able to protect your end user's privacy as well as dictate what information should and should not be seen by them. As you can tell, the end user has been thought of as one of our core focuses throughout the entire process. So that's it for Conctr. If you want to know any more, check out conctr.com.